First of all, I would suggest you to open your device manager. So just Windows search to that device manager, and then find your display adapters, open a drop-down menu, right-click on your graphics card, click on Properties, and then change over to Driver, and here click on Update Driver, search automatically for drivers, and then, in my case, the best drivers for your device are already installed. In your case, you might need to install some new drivers. That's first step. And then, next step, just open again your Windows search and type in Services. So it should look something like this. Open this app here, and then you're going to see a list with all of your Windows services that are currently running or not running, and then just select anything in there and type in Nvidia. That's the fastest way on how you can find this task here, this process here. And we should find the service that is called Nvidia Display Container LS. That's the one we are looking for. If this task is currently stopped in your case, just right-click on it and click on Start. Or if it's already running, I would suggest you to just quickly restart it. And right-click on it and click on Properties. And here, I would always suggest you should try just changing the startup type to Automatic, and then click on Apply and click on OK. And we can already see that that our Nvidia settings is already here in our icons here, or right-click on it, right-click on our desktop, and we can see our Nvidia control panel. Everything should be working now completely fine. Really hope this helped you guys. If you've got any questions regarding this topic, just let me know in the comment section below. Then I'll write you back as soon as possible, and we will surely find a solution. But that's it. Thank you so much for watching. I wish you a wonderful day. See you in the next video. Bye.